Okay, this is a power-up test of the Trekster 4-band radio. This comes from a gentleman on eBay who makes these as a fun little side thing. You can get hold of him at Trekster, Trekster, @gmail.com if you'd like one for yourself. So what I'm going to do is power this off of my power supply. I have an ICO signal tracer model 145 sitting above this. That's going to be our output device. Let's get that guy warmed up. As soon as I turn the power on for it. There we go. Let's see. Yep, there we go. That nice hum. And that thing is very noisy as far as hum goes, so it is what it is. So I'm going to pick up a ground off of one of my pieces of equipment up there. And let's take this old crappy piece of wire from the ICO device here. And that's just going to provide our cable for our connections. Let's see. Let's pick up our ground. Let's see, green will be our ground. Make sure that's off. Let's see. Well, that's not working. Why aren't you stripping for me? There we go. Oh, let's see. Is this screwdriver small enough to go in there? No, it is not. So let's get a screwdriver here. Much stuff on the floor. Let's see. Little tiny screwdriver. Too many screwdrivers. There we go. Let's get the driver kit out here. Let's see, I need a little tiny flat blade. There we go. And you can hear the signal tracer making noise as I touch things. Okay, negative and then positive towards the bottom. Let's see. Let's give it a ground. And let's give it an antenna connection here. So let's put this away. Move you out of the way. Let's see. Let's get rid of the power for a minute. Who built these silly test leads? Yeah, me. So let's run you back this way. Okay, so positive towards the bottom, negative towards the top. Let's move those so we don't have any shorting. See, green will be our earth ground, and yellow will be our antenna. Probably not long enough, but whatever. Let's toss you back there so we have a little bit of length. Okay, I'm going to turn everything to what I assume is their lowest level. Let's see, volts, 3 volts. And let's read the let's put this on FM, since we know there's FM locally. And do I not have okay, according to this, I should have a station. I do. You were more beautiful than anyone. Apparently my little test device here. Let's get that off of there.
is a co-champion with Katie.
So we're a couple days out, and we still don't know
who these people are.
Who this was. All we have really to go on is that the Oilers play-by-play announcer Jack Michaels said, coming back to start.
A dedicated advisor can help build a flexible wealth plan. Learn more at fidelity.com/wealth. Investment minimums apply. Fidelity Brokerage Services, LLC. BritBox, where character is everything and a variety of personalities can be found.
I have to say
like
that it
puzzle
works
masters
quite
turned
well.
detectives
Awesome.
and royal dressers caught in scandal. Streaming original series at BritBox.com. And Proven Winners, with Proven Winners Color Choice Shrubs, offering flowering shrubs and evergreens for gardens and landscapes. At garden centers nationwide, Proven Winners, colorchoice.com/NPR. Wait, Don't Tell Me is a production of NPR and WBEZ Chicago in association with Urgent Haircut Productions, Doug Berman, Benevolent Overlord. Philip Godeke writes our limericks. Our public address announcer is Paul Friedman. Thanks to the staff and crew at the Studebaker Theater. BJ Letterman composed our theme. Our program is produced by Jennifer Mills, Miles Dornbos, and Lillian King. Special thanks to Mohamed El Sheikhi and Monica Hickey. And happy birthday to our good friend, Lynn Pham. Our fairy godmother is Peter Gwynn. Our vibe curator is Emma Choi. Technical direction, Lorna White. Our CFO is Colin Miller. Our production manager is Robert Newhouse. Our senior producer is Ian Chillag. The executive producer of Wait, Don't Tell Me is Mike Danforth. Now, panel, what will robots do next? Shantira Jackson.
We're going to do the job that... I think robots are...
We're going to be talking about idols. Next time on the New York Republican Hour, while many Republicans are...
So the device works really well. I mean, I have no complaints. Seems to be pretty sensitive, at least on the FM band. I'll have to wait until later tonight before I can really test out AM or shortwave, as there's just too much crap right now during the day to make that worthwhile. But there it is, the Trekster 4-band radio. You can get your own at trekster@gmail.com. The vendor also offers a crystal set, a 6-band radio, and some other things. So definitely check it out. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.